Ever found yourself scrambling for cash at the hawker center or wishing you could pay for that online shopping spree without digging for your card? We've all been there. In today's fast-paced world, digital payment methods are not just a convenience, they're becoming a necessity. And one name that keeps popping up in the digital payment scene, especially here in Southeast Asia, is GrabPay. But the question is, just what can you pay for with GrabPay? That's exactly what we're diving into today. GrabPay, initially known for its integration with Grab's ride-hailing services, has evolved into a comprehensive digital wallet. It's now a powerhouse of payment options, making it easier than ever to manage your finances and transactions. Think of it as your digital Swiss Army knife for payments. Let's start with the obvious, Grab services. Yes, you can still seamlessly pay for your Grab rides, whether it's a Grab car, Grab food delivery, or even a Grab Express parcel delivery. This is where it all began, and it remains a core function of GrabPay. No more fumbling for cash when your ride arrives, or worrying about having the exact change for your food delivery. It's all handled within the app, quick and easy. But GrabPay's reach extends far beyond just Grab services. It's now widely accepted at a growing number of merchants, both online and offline. Think about your everyday expenses. Groceries? Check. Many supermarkets and smaller grocery stores now accept GrabPay. Dining out? Double check. From hawker stalls to fancy restaurants, you'll likely find GrabPay as a payment option. Shopping? Absolutely. Whether you're browsing online marketplaces or hitting the shops in the mall, GrabPay is becoming increasingly common. What about those pesky bills? Well, GrabPay is making bill payments easier too. You can often pay your utility bills, telco bills, and even government services through the Grab app using GrabPay. This saves you the hassle of queuing at payment centers or navigating multiple websites. It's all conveniently located in one place. And let's not forget about mobile top-ups. Running low on data or talk time? You can quickly and easily top up your mobile phone directly through the Grab app using GrabPay. No more scrambling for prepaid cards or visiting physical stores. It's all done in a few taps. One of the really cool features of GrabPay is its peer-to-peer transfer functionality. Need to send money to a friend or family member? You can do it instantly and securely through GrabPay. It's perfect for splitting bills, paying back loans, or sending gifts. No more awkward IOUs or waiting for bank transfers to clear. Beyond these everyday uses, GrabPay is also expanding into other areas like insurance, investments, and even education. They're constantly adding new features and partnerships, making it an increasingly versatile digital wallet. So, whether you're paying for your morning coffee, settling a dinner bill with friends, or managing your monthly expenses, GrabPay is likely to have you covered. It's designed to simplify your life and make transactions smoother and more convenient. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.